Everyone, this is my watch list for Tuesday, June 23rd. All right, big gap down today, right? SPY down 1.28%, QQQ down 2.64%. I think a lot of people were not expecting this gap down, so this is very interesting. All right, what are our levels? Okay, what can we watch today? Rejects. All right, market's weak. We failed. We tried to break all-time highs again, and we failed. I told you guys this is a head and shoulder. And it wound up being a head and shoulder, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, gap down, sell, okay? So we are now in a weak market, and we can look for rejects. Rejects off of these lows from last Wednesday, okay? So 740, we get the 740 push, can look for shorts right there on SPY. And then for the Qs, okay, for Qs, we are also gapping down below this big demand area, 722 to 724. We can look for shorts there. If we reclaim, then it could go back to yesterday's low, 734, and that's another spot we could look for rejects, okay? But this is going to be my bias level on the Qs, 722, 724, all right? If we're below 724, this is a short. If we reclaim 724, this actually does turn into a long, back into potentially 730 or 734, okay? My main watch for today, though, right here, Apple, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 bounces off of 294, and this bear flag, right? This is a bear flag chart, okay? So if we lose 294, this sells into 288, okay? And I really like this short on Apple. This is my top watch for today. AMD gapping down. Let me see. I have another couple of main watches. Microsoft, I actually do like this. It's gapping up. While the market's gapping down, Microsoft is gapping up. If we reclaim these lows from Thursday, 374, I like this for a move back into 380 to 382, okay? I just like relatively strong names in a weak market. Netflix, we're in swings on this. It's up 1.3%. So again, while most of the market's gapping down, Netflix is actually gapping up. This is great if we reclaim 75. 75 is the big level from back here, you guys remember. So 75, we reclaim that. This is a long on Netflix, okay? Palantir, it lost that big demand. Remember this big demand, guys? This demand is huge. I like this for pops and fade. If we get into 125, we get a push into 125, I'm going to short Palantir today. All right, if we pop into 125 off the open, I'll be looking for shorts on this, okay? NVIDIA, already gapping down quite a bit, down 2.7%, but this is a big level. This 199, 200 area. If we get below this, I like this for shorts because there's nothing saving it at that point. If we get below 200, okay? Get below 200, this is a short down into like 196, 195 is my next level, okay? Tesla, gapping down as well, but this is kind of a choppy chart, right? This is look at this. It's just up and down, in between supply and demand. I don't have anything on Tesla, all right? Main watches today, Apple, all right? Microsoft, Netflix, and NVIDIA, potentially NVIDIA, Palantir, all right? Let's see what happens. It's going to be an interesting session with these big gap downs. Not a lot of people were expecting this. Let's see what happens. I'll see you guys on live.